Are you gonna help him? Yeah, go and take maybe a couple of us, like me sitting in front.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, what did he get?
Look, Quentin. Oh, so cool.
Look, there's a few toys in there. Like clothes and toys. Cool.
Look at him here so he can see. Look at Quentin's gift. Isn't that cool, Jackson? What is it? What is this, Jackson? You know what it is?
Yeah.
It's a mailbox. Cool.
He likes that little puppet. He's tried to get it off a couple times.
Cool.
I'm gonna put it next.